Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on sustainable development. Today we are excited to share our project that focuses on the environmental conservation.
We present an innovative project called Ash Preservation.
I am Sandra Angel and I am accompanied by Arjun and Vishal. We are the students of Excel Public School, Mysore, and we have been working on developing this innovative solution.
Pollution is one of the world's most pressing environmental challenges. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury can contaminate our water, posing serious risk to human health and aquatic life. But what if there was a simple, cost effective way to remove these dangerous metals from water? Yes, we are exploring an unconventional solution cigarette butts. Yes, the very same waste product from smoking could offer an innovative approach to cleaning up polluted water.
The primary purpose of this project is to explore and demonstrate the potential of using cigarette butts as a low-cost, sustainable, and innovative material for the removal of heavy metals from contaminated water. Also, our project addresses the dual environmental challenges of cigarette waste, water pollution, and offering a practical solution that can be easily implemented.
Now let's see how these discarded cigarette butts remove heavy metals from water. We have come up with a solution that could be found in something as ordinary and widely discarded cigarette butts. Surprising as it may sound, cigarette butts contain a material called cellulose acetate, which has been found to work as an effective absorbent for heavy metals in water.
Cigarette butts are effective at absorbing heavy metals because of their high surface area and porous structure. When the cigarette butt is used in water, it creates many tiny sites for metals to bind to, which maximizes its ability to clean up contaminated water.
In laboratory experiments, cigarette butts have been shown to significantly reduce the levels of heavy metals like lead, copper in water, making it much safer for consumption and environmental use. We built a prototype that can be used in households to remove heavy metals and ensure clean drinking water in every house.
Surveys were conducted to gather information on discarded cigarette butts. Survey was conducted with tea vendors and common people. It reveals that a lot of cigarettes were discarded on surroundings of tea shop. So collection of these cigarette butts can be reused for removal of heavy metals.
In conclusion, Ash to Fresh is a simple, sustainable solution with the potential to make a big difference in the fight against water contamination by transforming waste into a valuable tool for environmental cleanup.
Behind every successful project is a team effort. I, Sarah, along with Dishant and Arjun, did the experimentation part.
I, Dishant, along with Arjun, did the documentation part. All the three with the help of our mentor worked on our prototype.
Thank you.